1, 2, 3, 4. As the sun sets on the valley, and I'm losing my best friend, there's some things I like to think before I think about the end. There's a river that runs by me. Summer nights I jump right in, sink my head beneath the water, send my feelings off to swim. As I look at my old man now, climbing into his old car, I see time just marches on as steady as a beating heart. There's a lot in life to live for, but there's some things that make you cry. Here's a song I like to sing each time somebody I love dies. Pull out a box of pictures from back when I was 9 or 10. I see people there with me I know I'll never see again. They say time's the greatest healer, but there's a funny thing with time. I find that as it passes on, I'm saying more and more goodbyes. This world's all about the loving, it's the only thing that's real. To find the people that you love and go and tell them how you feel. There's a lot in life to live for, but there's some things that make you cry. Here's a song I like to sing each time somebody I love dies. As the sun sets on the valley, and I'm losing my best friend, there's some things I like to think before I think about the end. Before the sun has wrestled through our blinds, my body wakes me up. A quiet dream finale breathes from your lips. I catch it with a kiss. You turn to me and you ask, what time is it? I grab my phone and let you know that it's too early. I love these ordinary times, breaths before the moments. And in these ordinary times, I'm at ease with you. Corner froyo shop late at night, walk over in our sweats. We get our bowls to go with plastic spoons and return back home. We climb in bed and queue up our favorite show.